We're interrupting our scheduled broadcasting to get you big breaking news coming in this morning. A terrorist has been arrested in the national capital in Delhi. AK-47s and hand grenades have also been recovered from this terrorist. Interrogation is underway of this terrorist who's been arrested. Shreya Chatterjee is joining us with more details on this. Shreya, what's the information we're picking up right now on this arrest?
Well, yesterday at the night, the person named Mohammed Ashraf, he has been picked up by Delhi Police's special cell from Ramesh Park, Lakshmi Nagar area. Now, what we are learning so far, that a fake ID of an Indian national has been recovered, and he has been found out to be a resident of Pakistan. Now, a case under UAPA Act, Explosive Acts and Arms Act, have been registered against him because apart from fake IDs, one AK-47 rifle with extra magazines and 60 runs of ammunition has been recovered. One hand grenade has also been recovered along with two sophisticated pistols. Now, he was at one of his hideouts in Turkman Gate, from where the Delhi Police has also recovered one Indian passport. Right now, he is being interrogated by Delhi Police, and this is indeed a big catch ahead of the festive season because the Delhi Police had put out a terror alert 2 days back, and now this arrest made by Delhi Police's special cell.
We have to remember, Shreya, that just a few weeks back, there was information that came in of similar such arrests of terrorists, and this was pan-India for, in fact, attacks that some of these terrorists were planning during the festive season. Is this linked to that?
Well, as of now, it cannot be denied that there could be a possible link between the terror module that was busted by Delhi Police last week. That will only be ascertained with the interrogation. But we do know that ever since the terror module was busted, Delhi Police was at the lookout of sleeper cells and all these terror ground workers. Now, this arrest definitely points out over the fact that there has been an active operation that has been going in by Pakistan-based ISI module, and they have been trying to disrupt the peace in the country, and that is exactly why a terror alert was also out to these
Okay.
And he was picked up from the Lakshmi Nagar area in Delhi. However, the other identities, including the fake passport, was got a hideout of his at Turkman Gate in New Delhi.
So the information that we're picking up right now is that the person, the terrorist here, was a Pakistani national. The Delhi Police Special Cell has confirmed his identity to be Mohammed Ashraf. He was living with a fake ID of an Indian national, and the name mentioned on that ID was Ali Ahmed Noori. He has been taken into custody by the Delhi Police Special Cell and had forged documents with him. They've also, in fact, found a number of other arms as well as other issues that have been found. There are Indian IDs from a handbag that they've recovered. 2 mobile phones from his possession have been taken in. One AK-47 assault rifle with an extra magazine and 60 rounds, a hand grenade, 2 sophisticated pistols with 50 rounds. All of this has been found from Kalindi Kunj at the instance of the accused. So the Delhi Police confirming that they found all of these arms after questioning the accused and found that he had hidden these arms and ammunition in Kalindi Kunj. An Indian passport was also found at his hideout, which was in Turkman Gate in Delhi. So the accused has been arrested. The Delhi Police Special Cell confirming that he's been booked under the very stringent UAPA. Other provisions of the IPC will also be invoked against him. There is a search that's been conducted at his present address, which is in Lakshmi Nagar in Delhi. The investigation is still on, but this is the information we have. Let me run you through that again. The person who's been taken in is a terrorist from Pakistan, identified as Mohammed Ashraf. He was living with a fake ID of an Indian national, and on that fake ID, the name mentioned was Ali Ahmed Noori, and he had several forged documents to prove that he was Indian when that wasn't the case. So Indian IDs were recovered, 2 mobile phones. You also had several arms and ammunition. So this is the big news that is coming in this morning. Shreya is back with us. Shreya, going by the information that's come in, this particular person was a Pakistani terrorist, had forged documents with him, had also an AK-47 assault rifle as well as several other arms that have been recovered from different hideout points.
Absolutely. So, Akshita, the arrest also becomes extremely significant because remember, the last time the terror module was busted, these were people who were basically radicalized but residents of India. This time, the person that's been nabbed is a direct resident of Pakistan, and the fact that he was living on forged paper documents and he was under the identity of one Ahmed Noori. But this has completely been busted yesterday by Delhi Police's special cell. What we do learn that this operation was directly being monitored by the top cops of the Delhi Police, and they were actually keeping an eye on this person before going ahead and arresting him. There was a surveillance that was also put on this person, Mohammad Ashraf. He was picked up from Lakshmi Nagar area, but we're also learning that his hideout was in Churchman Gate in Delhi, and from there, the Delhi Police has recovered the fake Indian passport, as well as one AK-47 rifle and two small pistols. Now, there was also live ammunition that they have recovered. There are 60 rounds of bullets that they have actually got, as well as hand grenades. That exactly points out at the fact that, not just that the person was here, but he also managed to procure ammunition. Now, that will be an interesting piece that the Delhi Police will be investigating, whether this ammunition was provided by any of the people cells that are still active in the country, and probably that is why the Delhi Police is currently interrogating him, because it's very, very possible that we would see more arrests regarding this particular case.
Any details, Shreya, of how long this terrorist has been in Delhi? Because it's clear that he had forged documents, he had two mobile phones, he had even a residence here. We understand he was living, in fact, in Delhi. He was living in Lakshmi Nagar. Besides that, there are several parts of the national capital, like in Kalindi Kunj, where he hid several of his weapons.
Well, absolutely. That question becomes extremely significant, as you pointed out, Shita, because if he's stayed for a very long period, whether he's actually been able to touch base and spread his tentacles across other people in the country as well, is something that the Delhi Police will have to investigate, and that's exactly why he's right now being interrogated. But as of now, the information that has been made available by the Delhi Police is that he's been arrested. It was yesterday night that he was nabbed, and at Delhi's Lakshmi Nagar area. We've also learned that his hideout was in Delhi's Churchman Gate. There has been ample evidence that the Delhi Police has gathered from him, is why they have charged him not only under UAPA but also under Explosives and Arms Act, and he will be tried regarding the same, because there is a heavy ammunition that's been recovered, not just one AK-47 rifle, two pistols, hand grenades, live cartridges. So definitely that becomes an extremely significant arrest, and all the more because this person is not an Indian national but a Pakistan national who was staying under a hidden identity, a false identity in the country.
All right, Shreya, this is a story we'll be tracking very, very closely and getting the latest updates on the Delhi Police's investigation. For the moment, thank you very much for joining us. Another big catch by the Delhi Police Special Cell. A Pakistani terrorist who was living with a fake Indian ID in the national capital has been taken into custody. Several of his hideouts within Delhi have been busted, in which arms and ammunition have also been recovered. He is being interrogated right now to identify all others linked with him in the country.